Let's begin subtracting decimal numbers. This can be as easy as buying a toaster and saving some money with a discount. Our toaster originally cost $29.95 and we saved at a discount $4.45. Let's use subtraction to find out how much the toaster will cost us. 5 minus 5 is 0. 9 minus 4 is 5. Decimals should line up. 9 minus 4 is 5. 2 minus nothing is 2. Our toaster will cost us $25.50. Let's practice subtracting decimal numbers. First, line up both numbers vertically by their place value. Subtract the digits beginning furthest to the right. 3 minus 7. Oops, I can't do that as part of a number. I'll need to borrow. 13 minus 7 is 6. 3 minus 5. Oops, I can't do that as part of a number. I'll need to borrow again. 13 minus 5 is 8. We'll place the decimal in line with the decimals in the numbers that we're subtracting. 4 minus nothing is 4. If you would like to check, take the answer 4 86/100, add 57/100, and the answer should give you the number that you started with, 5 43/100. Let's look at the next problem. Here, I need to subtract 5 from nothing. Well, nothing in mathematics is really 0. We can place a 0 at the end of the number 49 8/10 and make it 49 80/100. Now let's subtract. 0 minus 5. Oops, need to borrow. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 4 is 3. The decimal points will line up. 9 minus 2 is 7. 4 minus nothing is 4. Let's add it back together. 47 35/100 plus 2 45/100. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 plus 4, that's 8. Line up your decimals. 7 plus 2 is 9. And 4 plus 0 is 4. 49 80/100. That is what I began with. So my answer is correct. Let's look at our next subtraction problem. 205 minus 4 9/10. You'll notice that above the 9, there isn't any digit. We could write a 0 there because we know the number 205 is a whole number. After the 5 would be a decimal point, and a 0 could be written in the decimal part of the number without changing its value. Now let's subtract. 0 minus 9 can't be done as part of a number, so we will borrow. 10 minus 9 is 1. Our decimal points line up. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 minus nothing is 0. 2 minus nothing is 2. Let's take our answer, 200 1/10, and add the 4 and 9/10 back into it. Again, line up your decimal points, line up your place values. 1 plus 9 is 10. 1, 0, and 4 is 5. 0 and nothing is 0. Nothing but 0. And there's a 2. 205 and 0/10. For our last problem, let's look at the whole number 4, followed by the decimal number 0. We can borrow from the 4. We take 1 away from 4, it becomes a 3. And the 1 we borrowed becomes 10/10. We'll take one of those tenths and make it 10/100. We'll take one of those hundredths and make it 10/1000. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1. Decimals line up. 3 minus nothing is 3. Our answer, 3 and 128 thousandths plus 872 thousandths. Let's add to prove that our answer is correct. It is. We came back to the number 4. 4 with a decimal number of 0 after it equals 4. That was